In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share selected cells to others in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to let collaborators edit only specific cells while keeping the rest of your sheet locked down, which is perfect for collecting inputs without risking accidental changes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped app launcher, then choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. From there, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. At the top of your sheet, click the Data menu, then choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a panel on the right where all the protection settings live. Click Add a Sheet or Range to begin configuring what you want to control. You'll first see a Range option. Go ahead and select the exact cells you're planning to make editable for others. This helps you identify the target area. We'll now switch to protecting the entire sheet while exempting those cells. Click the Sheet tab in the same panel, then select the specific sheet you want to protect. Check the box that says Accept certain cells. When prompted, select the data range you want others to be able to edit. This is the same range you identified earlier. Click OK to confirm the exception. Now click Set Permissions. In the Permissions window, choose Restrict who can edit this range. Select Only You. Here's what that means. The entire sheet will be protected, so only you can edit it, except for the cells you exempted, which remain open for anyone with edit access to the file. Click Done to apply the settings. A quick recap. You opened your spreadsheet, went to Data, then Protect Sheets and Ranges. You added a protection, switched to the Sheet option, checked, Accept certain cells, selected the exact range to keep open, and set permissions so only you can edit the rest. That configuration effectively shares just the selected cells for collaborators to use. A few tips to make this work smoothly. Collaborators still need edit access to the file itself to modify those unlocked cells. Viewers and commenters won't be able to type into them. If you have multiple areas for input, you can add more exceptions using the same panel. And if something doesn't seem to take effect right away, refresh the sheet and try editing one of the protected cells to confirm the lock is working. That's it. You've limited edits to only the cells you choose, keeping your data safe while making collaboration easy.